We will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone. Boarding our check into the dawn. At station time.
So we're doing a forging challenge for the James Black Festival, and the audience are the ones that are doing the actual forging. So they put their name in a bucket, and we drew names of whoever wanted to try it. So we got two candidates. They're going to forge to shape a blade where we have a template of, so they can visually look at that template, and then whoever forges it as close to that shape, then we'll judge that and decide a winner from that too. So we've kind of handicapped them in a way because we gave them a strap middle to make it from, so they have no real easy way of holding it. Their hammer head is not attached to a handle, so they have to have the welding shop here to assist them to get these parts ready to go forward. So it's going to be a great thing.
All right, thank you so much, and we'll be right back.
Flip it on the other side and do the same thing. On the opposite side, flip it back. There you go. No. All right there. Got it. Got it? Okay, dive in. Good. See all those parts? Good. I mean you're taking the gear away. Take it on in. That's because it's coming over the top. Put it in the fire. Lay down in here? Yeah, you're good. Good job. Now you go to the opposite side and put it in the fire. Now put it in forward. Only heat up this part right here. Yeah, there you go. Go back in the fire. So in this bright light, it's hard to see the heat. First thing you do is black it. Now the board is already hot. Let's use the other side. Can you see the rider right there?
Since you're doing this here outside, what they're conveying to
Let's use this side right here.
is that it's difficult to see color variations of the steel as it gets hotter than it does in the light. These two
There you go.
color in the heavens and
We don't want to push the arrows out. That would be cheap.
so just across. Just imagine eventually they realize that they're important enough. That's why it's so important to come to transparency.
There you can. See how hot it is over here in the track. What did I say the first thing to do? Flatten it. Flatten it. If you keep on hitting it like that, you're going to turn it into a like this.
If we need to go just give him some ideas. So you are not alone. Someone can guide me how to do that. And he and himself are going to have that hammer. And he's going to teach us how to do it. I'm really thinking something.
Good job. Turn it over. Now hit that high spot. Hit that high spot. Good, good. Put it back in the fire. Good job. Part that we ground, that narrow part, that's the only thing. We don't have to see that. Anything inside. So we don't even have to put it in. No. We only worry about one of those notches.
I'm here to help you. They will not see that.
All right, Maiden.
Do you need some help?
You got a stunt double, is what it is.
Just ask what you want. They will not know. Look at that. You don't look.
Yeah. What is that?
Maiden just steal his hammer.
Can we draw the tip?
Yeah. What I would do is go narrow and long towards the bar, and then put the tip on the end of that bar. So it doesn't matter about the thickness.
No,
it can be real thin. Yeah, we're going to profile.
So let's do the following. Grab that. So I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna shoot. That one and you move. Okay? Just behind me. Okay? Right. Are you ready? Scroll! Okay, now. I'm gonna hit two, okay? Now here. Okay. You are doing really well.
And at some point, you get it long and skinny. it in. Yeah, there's more heat in that than it looks in the sunshine.
So they're doing some shaping.
Yeah, at the back right there. It just had too much metal at the back. And
Looks like he's about ready now. Asking if he can clean up. What are you gonna do, Lynn?
So what do you think of it so far?
It's actually really fun.
So we're looking to see you in next year's competition too.
I'd love to come back down.
you'll be all of 13 by then.
Right.
Right here. So I want that to come up. Does that make sense? This part here?
We have 15 more minutes, guys.
Okay. We want, got it looking like a knife on the front. Now we need to get this belly back little bit of pressure that way. There you go. See how you hear it grind and you can see the sparks. That's how you know how much material you're removing. You're here and you're high. You don't have to look at the sparks. You can just see by the peripheral vision. Okay. Now work. Yeah, there you go. Just kind of work it toward the back. Now there's going to be a place right here that's gouging you. So let's pull back, let off. Pull it off. Pull it in the bucket. Pick it up. Dip it. Don't get your gloves wet. If you have to, use the tongs, but try not to get your gloves wet. Bring it up here. We got to move quick. Okay, hang on a second, bud. Now we're going to work. I'm moving the belt so that you work the opposite direction. The white line dips in right there. Just kind of do like this.
It's like the edge of it?
Like a what?
Like the edge of the belt?
Yeah. Now work that gouging place off. Get that off of there. Stop. Good. Now I'm going to show you something right here. We can do this. See that? That motion? Then you get new valves that can be used. Okay. I think we're okay.
If we get that sharp spot like this curve, kind of.
See how that works? Now let's tool this off. Found the hammer! How Dylan? It just come close to that well that you can to get that angle. Yeah, it'd be fine. Good. Lightly. Okay, good. Lightly. Okay, stop. Let's quench it. Quench it. Put your hammer down. Quench it. All the way. Wiggle it. Quick. Okay, let's go to the grinder. Flatten it. One more? Yeah, let me see it. Roll that tail more. Yeah.
So this is what they were going for.
Yeah, no, we're good.
That's pretty close.
It looks pretty close to me.
It's pretty close.
It's pretty close.
We're getting there.
But we got enough material to get
You got
there.
enough material to finish
There's
it.
enough there to do it.
I think we're going to have to give it to this one. Yeah. Great job.
Good job. Good job. Good
So
job.
y'all don't run off. I think they want to get a picture of you.
Come here, come here, come here. This is your trophy. Hey, looky.
Use every advantage we could.
Congrats. Throw your knife off.
Can we get all the guys in there with him?
Yeah,
Everybody in there.
come here.
Dwayne, get in.
Get in there with them, Dwayne.
You were the winner as well.
You gotta have the welder in there too.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Heading the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Go, go!